So I'm going to be going through a trade recap today. I had on NQ, and obviously you see we have the receipts here, 462 in the green, super clean price action. So I'm going to go through everything, and I did most of my charting over here on NQ, ironically, or on TradingView. So break down everything. So starting on the hourly time frame, we see we are obviously right next to all-time highs. We have all-time highs right here. We have London session highs. We have, in general, a very strong draw of liquidity to the upside. So what I'm mostly looking for is we already swept London session lows, so that was also a big factor here. Was we came down here, took out London session lows, super clean. I thought this was going to be more of a manipulation leg because, again, by the time we get down here, we are 100 points, a little more than 100 points away from all-time highs, and I'm obviously thinking, okay, I want to see distribution to that side, but I also want to see it be pretty clean. So we see this 5-minute high we made right here. We get a closure above that. I'm thinking, all right, bet. We have a super strong close above this. There's no fucking wick out. We are closing above. We are probably going to take out all-time highs, which is where I entered long here. Again, this was more of a 5-minute trade targeting all-time highs. I thought we were definitely going to run through those. And if we drop down to the 1-minute time frame, you see I'm not in drawdown for a second, right? We literally just ripped up and we ripped up, and it was a super clean move. Again, I figured we were going to take out all-time highs. My stop loss obviously was not that high, but yeah, again, like I said, I thought it was super clean. I knew we were going to take out all-time highs, and obviously we see the volume in that direction was super clean. Now, what I was really appreciative of today is, like I said, that distribution towards that high. I really want to see us clearing this level out and moving clearly in one direction. It's very frustrating when we've seen days, 2 days before, a great example of this, of you definitely could have gotten faked out here because, I mean, in all technicality, this was a break of structure to the upside over here. But again, we barely closed above that high, right? We were literally 2-3 ticks above that high. It's not really relevant to me. The same idea with fair value gaps, but we barely closed above that high versus today, we have this high and we close, we close 14. I mean, we close 10 points above that high, and it's a strong bodied candle. We're probably going to continue going in that direction, especially with it being the 5-minute. And when you drop down to the 1-minute, we see that's the case. We have this close above, and we just rip to the moon. So super clean price action today. Again, was 460 something, 460 and some change on the eval, or not the eval actually, on the Express account. So super clean day, really good win. It looked like a lot of people that I follow won. Jack won. 3 guys in my Discord server won. AJL won, PB Trades, like everybody won today. Everybody was eating. Everybody was taking advantage of this great price action. And that's what you'll notice is a lot of these guys have different strategies. A lot of these guys have different rules. But at the end of the day, when we have really clean price action like today, we have good distribution, we have a good draw of liquidity, everybody is going to be taking trades, and they're relatively going to be the same thing. I have 3 guys in my Discord server. We all have ideally the same thing. Like, we want to see a high time frame sweep, we want to see a 5-minute market structure shift, we want to see volume towards displacement towards a strong draw. That's exactly what we got today, and everybody took trades. It was slightly different. Everybody was fluctuating between, honestly, these 3 candles right here, 4 candles were really where everybody entered. So again, super clean price action day. I'm super happy with this, especially coming out of FOMC yesterday. My hopes weren't super high, but again, we have all-time highs right here. We took out London session lows. We're clearly distributing towards where I want to draw to go. Awesome day.